What's up everyone? Today I am doing a makeup tutorial on this look right here. I just went out and purchased myself the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry Palette and I'm so excited to use it. I did use some of the colors this morning, not in a tutorial, just while I was getting ready for work, and it gave me the inspiration for this look right here. I basically used the same colors this morning, just a lot lighter. For me, this is not something I want to do at 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock in the morning, whenever it is I'm doing my makeup. So, and I don't usually give myself a whole lot of time to do my makeup, I just throw it on. So I wanted to create this look for you guys today using this palette, and it's gorgeous. I mean, it's a little dirty, but look at the packaging. It is so pretty. My camera does not want to focus. So, I mean, the colors in it are to die for. If you haven't already seen it, if you don't own it, go out there and get yourself this palette. It is amazing. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see how I get this look, then just keep watching. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have prepped and primed my eyes already, and I've already done my face. I really wanted to focus on the eyes in this video and keep it a little bit shorter. So we are gonna get started in the Sultry palette, and I'm gonna take my Sigma E35 brush. Looks like that. Just a big fluffy brush. And I'm gonna go in with this color right here called Twig. And that I'm gonna put in my crease and above. And just build it up. This is a very good transition shade for the look I'm gonna go for. Alright, now that we got that all blended out, I'm going to go in with a little bit smaller of a blending brush. This is the E38 by Sigma. Looks like that. It's very similar to the last one, it's just a little bit smaller. And I'm going to go in with this color right here called Dystopian. And we are going to focus that in the crease, just to darken it up. And I'm just doing back and forth motions, as you can see. And then when I want to blend it a little bit, then I'll go in small circular motions. But right now, a little bit goes a long way, so you really just want to focus with just a little bit of product on your brush and build up as you go until you get the color you desire. And then I'm going to go back in with the last brush I used and just blend these colors together. I did not put any more product on my brush. I'm just blending the lines so that there's no harsh lines. And this is when it's good to do the small circular motions. I also do just back and forth motions as well. Alright, now that we got that done, I am going to go in with my Real Techniques 203 brush. Looks like that. It's a little flat on one side. I used some of this morning, used this palette this morning before work, so that's why this brush is a little dirty. But it's going in the exact same color, so it does not matter to me. And this I am going to pack all on the outside of my lid. So I pack most of the product on my lid, and then with little small motions of swiping, I just kind of blend it forward. And I think I'm gonna do a halo eye today. So I'm gonna find a little bit smaller of a brush. So I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M124 brush. Looks like that. And I'm gonna go back into that dystopian color and I'm going to pack this on the inside of my lid as well. And I'm going back in with that last brush I used and I'm just going to blend this out. All right, now that we got that done, I am going to go in with some concealer. And I'm gonna use the Born This Way multi-sculpting concealer, multi-use sculpting concealer. Wow. And just on my concealer brush, this is the F70 from Sigma. I'm just gonna get a little product on there. I'll go right in the center. And your concealer does not need to be perfect because I'm gonna go in and fix it anyways and cover it up a little bit with the next color I'm going in with, so it really doesn't need to be anything spectacular. But now I'm gonna go in with this color Cyborg right here. And it's very much a gold or a silver glittery shadow. And I'm just gonna pack that all on where we just put our concealer. All right, now that we got that on, I'm gonna go back in with this brush and I'm gonna apply some more of the dystopian color to blend the shades together. Then there's not as harsh of a line. And I'm back in with that small brush. Same color, just going on inner. And I'm gonna go back in with that Sigma brush and just blend in the crease a little more. All right, now that I've got that done, I'm gonna move on to the under eyes. And I'm gonna go in with a small pencil brush for this. And I'm gonna use the JH 38, just like that. And I'm gonna take that dystopian color and apply that right under my eyes. But I'm not gonna go all the way in. I'm gonna leave a gap right in the middle because we're gonna apply some of that Cyborg color there as well. And then on the inner corner. All right, and then with that last, the JH41 brush that I applied the Cyborg with, I'm actually gonna spray this with some Fix Plus and go back into that Cyborg color. Get just it on the tip and then kind of just press it under my eyes, right in the center where I left it kind of blank. All right, so now that we got that applied, I am gonna go in with some mascara and I think that's it. So I'm gonna apply that off camera. I will be right back. All right, now that I have my mascara applied, I am gonna go in with some inner corner highlight. And I'm gonna use the same highlight that I've been using from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. It's just so pretty. It's just the perfect, I think, highlight color. It reminds me almost exactly of the MAC Nylon color, which I think is what she was aiming for when she created this palette, because when I first started watching her a few years ago, Jaclyn that is, she used to rave about nylon, and so I went out and bought it the moment I heard about it, and this color to me is almost identical to that, which is nice. It's blinding and it's gorgeous. And I just used a random unique pencil brush that I have. This brush is the Morphe JH42 brush. It's just a small flat shadow brush. I like to use this one for my brow bone highlight. To me, it just gets it up there perfectly. And at this point, or before you put on your mascara, if you are someone who wants to apply a liner, you totally could make that work. I am not a huge liner person. I don't wear it that often. It makes my eyes water and my eyes turn red, and I'm sure it's just because I hardly ever use it that I'm just not used to it and my eyes need to get immaculated to it, but I'm just not a huge eyeliner person. I wear it occasionally, but not that often. I'll wear like a liquid liner on the top, but as far as a pencil liner, I know I'm gonna start using it more often just because I want to wear it. It's just, I don't like it when my eyes are watery and it is so hard to take off, so I just avoid it. But if you wanted to use it with this look, you absolutely could. It would make it more smoky, it would make it very fall appropriate, very glam appropriate, but that is all up to you. But now that I've got the highlight done, I believe I'm going to find a lipstick to go with. Now, with this look, you could do really any color you would want, a nude or a bright red or a deep purple red, like berry color, like something like this if you wanted to, or this if you wanted to. But for me, I think I'm just gonna go with a nude, just because I like it when my eyes stand out over my lips. So I'm gonna grab, so I'm gonna do my handy dandy trusty MAC lipstick in Blankety. Looks like that. To me, it's like my perfect nude. Alright guys, and that basically completes the look. Lately I've been wearing lashes with basically everything, but it is 8:30 at night and I'm basically gonna wash my face off as soon as I'm done recording and go to bed. So I'm not gonna apply lashes today, but I definitely would any other day when I'm wearing this look. It'll just complete it, for me at least, it'll complete it a little bit more. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching me create it. My thoughts on the Sultry palette is to die for. I think this is honestly the best ABH palette I own. All the colors in it are so creamy and so pigmented, and I haven't used a whole lot of the colors yet. I used mostly the same that I wore today, or put on this look this morning for work. But I did, you know, swatch them all and they all feel like they're the same, and so I'm really excited to create more looks with this palette. There is a lot of kickback when you go in with a brush, but that is, you know, that tends to happen when you have really pigmented shadows. So I would say go in with, you know, a light hand, but ultimately this palette is amazing. If you're thinking about getting it, I highly recommend it. I do not think you're gonna be disappointed, and I'm really loving this look. I think it's fun. I haven't done a halo eye and I can't even tell you how long, so it's really fun to create this look for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to go down there and subscribe and hit that bell notification so you guys don't miss any of my videos, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!